More leaks of the Google Pixel 3 XL have just emerged, this time with a complete hands-on. Oh yeah. For those of you that haven't gone the Galaxy Note 9 yet, Samsung is now giving you 2 more color options, and the iPhone XR has been approved by the FCC, so now we just need it in stores. I'm Jaime Rivera, and for those of you asking where am I, these are actually the XDA offices, and also our offices now. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with some shady practices from Spotify. The company, I actually received an email recently with a survey, and it asked me if the people in my family plan were living in the same house, because apparently the company is wanting to implement something where it notices the GPS tag of where the people in your family plan are, and if you don't live in the same house, it will deactivate the family plan. Now, we're not sure if it's going to execute this at some point or not, but buyers beware, as this is definitely going to hurt Spotify if they pull it off. Now, in some semi-official news, because that's what I like to call Evan Blass leaks, you know, he's famous and he's a great tipster, he's pretty much showing us the design of the Razer Phone 2, and I mean, he might as well just got an image of the Razer Phone 1 because it's pretty much the same design. We're not exactly sure what the enhancements are, but given the fact that there is so much hardware around that chassis, I hope that they pull off the internals that we were missing on the first Razer phone. Let's move the spotlight over to the iPhone XR, and I fumbled like 3 times trying to remember it's not XR, which is the most horrible name ever. For those of you looking for it, October 19th is the launch date. It just got approved by the FCC, so obviously we just have to wait for it to get to stores. And you can get it for the moderate to cheap price of $750. The sarcasm was high on that one. Now let's move the spotlight over to the Samsung Galaxy Note 9, as for those of you complaining about not being able to get silver for years, it is now finally available in the United States as a Best Buy exclusive as of October 12th, and then you also get the option for the Midnight Black, which is the version that pretty much everybody had of the Galaxy Note 8. I'm still enjoying the blue variant that I have, but I definitely feel that the Midnight Black would probably be the best color option for this phone, so long as you have like a chamois to keep it clean all the time. You know what I mean. And finally, the hottest news today have to do with the Google Pixel 3 XL. You know, finally what I was expecting just happened. I mean, if they stole a shipment in Russia and a lot of people bought it for $2,000, where are the videos? Now we have a full hands-on video of the phone. It does not look fake at all. And I get the point of why the notch looks like the size of Long Island. They're trying to somehow make it symmetrical with the bezel at the bottom with the speaker, even if the size of the speaker grill is not the same. And I feel that just the whole approach is completely ridiculous. But then again, have a look at the video. Let us know what you think in the comments. Do you like this as the final design of the Pixel 3 XL or not? Because in my case, you know, I need pixels. Like, I travel so much, I rely on Project Fi. This is the way to go. But my God, this is probably the worst design of 2018. And that gives me an idea for a video. Leave us a comment down below. Let us know what you think.
But before you do that, it's Joshua Vergara. What's going on, everybody? And I'm here to remind you about The Weekly. Now, on this week's show, we are talking about whether or not you get more or less with the iPhone XS, given that you're going to generally spend more. And I know what that's like because I'm using the XS Max right now. And then we talk about how Facebook's recent meltdowns might mean some drastic changes and news for WhatsApp and Instagram. So join me and the crew on The Weekly on wherever you get your podcasts.
Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next week.